guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a shoe showing review, kind of. Finally, I have been waiting for these forever. We got the cool gray. I'm gonna show you guys. Here we go. Whoa. Amazing. What I've been waiting for. I got in 6.5. I'll try to make this video as fast as possible because I am going out with my mom. We're having a girls' night out. I'm not sure if this is the outfit I'm going to be wearing, but it's like a long skirt and my signature thing with the bikini top. But I just crisscrossed it. And this is from Forever 21. I promise I'm gonna be doing these videos more often. Let's get started. I'm just gonna stand up and unbox it. Oh, here we go. Wow. So this is a shoe. They released it on December 11. They retail for $225. That is expensive. But I paid resale price. I don't know. I feel stupid, but I don't because I like them. One, they matches the GTR. And two, it's a classic shoe. They released the cool grays in 2001. I wasn't even in America yet. I was still in Vietnam. I was not into shoes. I don't know what the heck shoes are. They released it again in 2010. I still wasn't into shoes. I only been getting into shoes this year. It's a 20 years anniversary release since 2001. It's no longer the plastic inserts. It's the cardboard now. Feels flimsy and cheap. People throw these out away anyways. But I like the plastic one so I can keep it with the shoe. Dark medium gray patent leather, and it's a very classy and dressy shoe. Like you can wear these dress up or down, it don't matter. Let's go to the back of the shoe. We got the Press 23 logo printed and the iconic Jumpman embroidered in white on the heel. Let's go to the side. We got some more suede material, and the tongue is some more suede. We got some thick white laces that are it's very nice to the touch. Carbon fiber plates in the middle on the inside of the shoe. Icy blue outsoles. I have the breads right here. I'm gonna compare them. So that's a comparison between the breads and the cool gray. They're very similar. They both have the carbon fiber plate. Cool gray is a little bit skinnier. I don't know. The bread is a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's a little bit like a slim look. Shout out to my plug for getting them 1 day early before the release. I did not pay double, but I paid the resale price. And let's check how much they are on goats. So for my size, they are going for they're going for $325. Will I wear these shoes? Yes, I will. Do I like them? Yes, I do, because they're so sexy. Something about patent leather. It's like the shine. It's like, looks like it's wet. Get it? I think they released like 1 million pairs, but don't quote me on it. I'm not so sure. But then you can get these for everybody that you love. Your girlfriend, your wife, your side chick, your sugar baby, your sugar mama, your grandma. Yeah, so it's gonna be available for everyone. The price are not gonna go down anytime soon because everybody's gonna want to get it right in time for Christmas. Everybody's gonna have cool grays under their trees. They did good with this one, but the price, I think for the 2001 and the 2010, it was $220, but then this year they creeped up to $5. I understand the inflation, but yeah, that's the retail price. So you guys are paying what, $7.99 for an instant on goats? I mean, I bought this one when I wasn't even into shoes. Like, I had no idea Michael Jordan wore these. I think he wore it in The Last Dance. I'm not sure if my memory is correct. But when I bought these, it was in Shoe Palace. I did not pay the resale price. I wish I have gotten another pair of the bread. And for my size, it's now 647 on goats. Wow. I've been humming a lot of Vietnamese songs because my mom's been karaokeing outside. Con bướm xuân, con bướm đa tình. You guys know that song? That's very popular. I speak and sing Vietnamese very fluently. But 8 out of 10 because the inserts are not plastic anymore. And there's imperfections, of course. The left side always looks better than the right side. Everybody's gonna be wearing these. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy my cool gray kind of review, first look. Will you rock them or will you put them away to flip later? Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye!